It seems like yesterday I was only 16 years old sitting in a cell after being sentenced to 14 years in prison and having to serve a decade before I was released again, and my mother introduced me to welding. How she knew welding was going to change my life, I would never know, family. But she planted a seed in me and it started to grow. While I was in prison, I started pursuing more knowledge in welding. So once I was released, welding took me places I could never imagine. I went from South Carolina to Washington State welding, fabricating, and doing ironworking. And then I created my own product, the welding skids. I created the welding skid in Phoenix, Arizona. It started off as a product to help me, and I realized it could help others. And then I created my brand, Hog On Welding. It started selling my clothes on Amazon, and other people started gaining more awareness of the movement. So I created the 24hourvending.com, promoting the shipping container conversions, saying your imagination is your limitation with shipping container conversions. And then I had to hit the field, show people how it's done. Get my own hands dirty, leading by example. And once you lead by example and you started getting other people involved in your movement, you have to start going back and teaching, giving back all that information that you have learned over the years. So I created the Hog On University, teaching everything I have learned from in the shop, from the field, fabricating, troubleshooting, doing all type of difficult decisions to help other people win. I went to our Legacy Center in Atlanta and I passed on the word. Now I'm back in the city I was born, Little Rock, Arkansas, helping those in this rural area and surrounding areas gain the trade to turn it into a job, a career, and a business to help them live to be remembered.